Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI on Android. First, ensure your Android device is running a compatible operating system version, typically Android 10 or newer, to guarantee full functionality. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store and download the official Gemini application. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your existing Google account. This simple setup process takes less than 1 minute and provides immediate access to Gemini's powerful capabilities, making your initial experience smooth and straightforward. Gemini offers versatile interaction methods. You can speak your queries aloud or type them directly into the chat interface. Its multimodal capabilities allow you to upload images, asking Gemini to describe them, generate captions, or even brainstorm related ideas. For instance, you could upload a photo of a plant and ask for its species. Gemini excels at generating creative content, from crafting a short story to writing a basic code snippet, providing a powerful tool for various tasks. To get the most from Gemini, always provide clear and specific prompts. Instead of "tell me about dogs," try "explain the dietary needs of a golden retriever puppy." Experiment with different phrasing and follow-up questions to refine your results, guiding Gemini toward the exact information you need. You can also integrate Gemini with other Google services, like Maps or Gmail, to streamline tasks and access information more efficiently, saving you valuable time throughout your day. Beyond basic queries, delve into Gemini's settings to customize its responses and manage your privacy preferences, ensuring a personalized experience. Use Gemini as a powerful assistant for learning new skills, brainstorming complex ideas, or efficiently planning your daily schedule. Remember to regularly update the application through the Google Play Store to benefit from the newest features, security enhancements, and performance improvements, keeping your Gemini experience cutting-edge and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.